a vinyl product from us, it will come rolled up to prevent any wrinkles. We recommend rolling your vinyl print when not in use. Folding the vinyl could cause damage to your print. If your vinyl print gets a wrinkle or a crease in it, you have several ways to remove it. One way is to leave the print out in the sun. On a warm, sunny day, hang your print outdoors or sit the print on a clean, flat surface for a few hours. Keep an eye on the print and bring it in if the weather changes or if there is high wind. It will take a few hours, so give the vinyl time to relax and bring it inside once the wrinkles are gone. Another option is to use a steamer or hairdryer. Position the print on a clean, flat surface or hang up the print. If you have a single-sided graphic, make sure to flip your print so that the heat will face the blank side. If you have a double-sided print, you may use a cloth to lay over the top of the print to help protect it from the heat. With a steamer or a hairdryer on low, carefully hold the nozzle above a corner of the print and slowly move it around the surface. Do not hold it above an area too long and do not directly touch the print. Doing so might result in damage to the graphic. Inspect the area for any damage and adjust your settings as needed. If any damage occurs, lower your heat output and test again. When you are done testing, you may continue to remove the creases from other areas of the print. You may use an iron to help remove the creases from the vinyl print. Place the cloth over the vinyl and gently move the iron over the cloth. Try not to use the iron directly on the print and do not leave the iron on the same area for more than a few seconds. This will help prevent damage to the banner, especially areas with ink. Set your iron to the lowest setting and lightly press on a corner area to test it. Move the iron around the corner for 5 seconds before inspecting the area. Adjust the settings as needed and inspect the area for any damage. If everything looks good, you may continue ironing the rest of the print. As you are ironing, check the area for any damage and immediately stop if you notice any burns. All creases should be removed. Check out our How to Care for Vinyl video for more information on how to take care of your vinyl print.